Hi, welcome back. In the last video, we built our CalmBuddy chatbot using Langflow. Today, we are talking it a step further. We are deploying it locally with Streamlit and testing it with friends using ngrok. No cloud needed, just simple shareable magic. That's our flow. Let's check once again. It's working or not. Typing hi, it's give some response just like friend. Okay, it's give a response, so it's working. So we move forward for Streamlit in this video. So we are not shutting down our Langflow server. We will use the API URL from Langflow to connect with Streamlit. This is our API access code. We will use this code and some few changes for Streamlit app. So I already written the code. Let's walk through. Here you can see in starting, first import the necessary libraries and the page setup. Okay, page config and title, CalmBuddy your chaos bestie, and user input. And the MCP URL, which is given in the URL in API access. Okay, now user input. This is completely given in code. Just change only input value equal to user input. And the response equal request, we are not using request, we are using a post. So it's read the MCP URL and same thing at just like a given code from Langflow. And message equal to data and output 0. It's give the exact agent response. If we are not giving that, so it gives a complete response which is not readable properly. So let's check. These are hi, you alive? Its response. What are you doing? Just check with different text. Its response as a friend. Now, if you want to someone else to try it, so use ngrok to share your local apps securely. Okay. So for this, you go to ngrok.com and download the ngrok and edit it to your system environment path and authorize it with your token, which is showing in the command. This will give you a get a public link when you run this ngrok. Okay, so let's open a new terminal and Okay, so I gave Langflow port, so it's a 7860. So it's also open your port in Langflow. So use ngrok.exe http 7860. So this is our path for ngrok driver and the port number. This is the complete link ngrok free.app. You just copy and paste it. It's open a public link. This is a public link. Okay. If you share this link to anybody, it's work. But the main condition is you have to run in your local also. You don't close your Langflow platform. Currently we are using 7860, so it's connect with your Langflow platform. When we are using 8501 mean Streamlit app, that time it's connect with Streamlit port. It's given a warning. Let's check. You can also see here is a Langflow windows showing. Now check with our Streamlit app. So we give our Streamlit app port. So ngrok http 8501. Okay, it's not accepted. Okay, so first give ng complete path or driver and then the port number. Sometimes it's given error due to environment issue. It's run. Okay, so we are already open one port for Langflow, that's why it's gave an error. So first we close that, then it's work. Okay, let's check. It's still running. It's open. Now you can see here Untidal flow. So that's how ngrok work. So it gives also some error. Let's open Streamlit port and check through Streamlit. So ngrok http 8501. Let's wait. Make sure you correct you copy the correct you you copy the correct URL. If it's not copy the correct URL, so it's given error. So that's why it's not open. Just like we are showing in the left window. Now copy manual. Now it's open. You can see it's give the first warning. This website is served for free through ngrok.com. So you can share this link with friend. They can test without any cloud deployment. So but just make sure which we I already mentioned your machine is still running the app. Okay, so now we are testing both sides. First left window is for our Streamlit at just at 501 and one, and right side is our NG-Rock. Now it's time we are typing in Hindi. क्या कर रहे हो? Let's see the response. तो इट्स लेसन मैं तो बस यहाँ चिल कर रही हूँ तुमसे बात करने के लिए. So it gives a proper response in same language, but the language response from your LLM, which I already gave a Google generative AI model. Okay, so if that model support language, so it will respond in that language also. Now you can. So that's it. I hope you can run Kambadi locally with Streamlit, share it with anyone using NGRock, and get real feedback fast and free. So if you like this video, like, comment, share.